Hi, today I'm for Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So if you wanna double press to the download button to open, for example, the camera app, you should open first the settings, then scroll down to advanced, scroll more down and tap to the gestures. Oh, not to the gestures, to the screen of shortcut. Tap to the switcher to activate a quick launch, and here select, for example, the camera app or open front camera or record video or quick shot. Now let's just lock the device, so when the screen is off, you could twice press to the download button and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.